Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Jeep Gladiator 4-wheel drive. Start parked and engaged in neutral, then select 4H for snow or mud at driving speeds. Shift to 4L when you need extra torque for rock crawling or deep sand. Keep RPMs low and steer gently. Always disengage to 2H on dry pavement to prevent drivetrain binding. Check lights and practice transitions in a safe space before trail. Warm up the vehicle and confirm traction needs before switching modes. For many Gladiator trims, you can shift to 4H while moving slowly, but use neutral for 4L engagement to protect the transfer case. Wait for the dash icon to show the new mode and test traction with gentle throttle. If grinding or failure to engage occurs, stop and retry or consult the manual to avoid damage and stay safe on the trail. Approach obstacles with patience and pick a clean line before committing. In 4L, keep RPMs steady and avoid sudden throttle bursts that could spin tires or stress the drivetrain. Use low-gear engine braking on descents and feather the clutch if manual to smooth power delivery. When crossing water or mud, check depth, maintain momentum, and dry brakes afterward. Always pack recovery gear and let someone know your route.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.